Good morning, students. Today we'll start our new chapter, chapter number 3, that is Tables in OpenOffice Writer. In this chapter, we will learn about how to create tables and the borders we can use in the tables, or we can say the formatting. How can we do in the tables? So first of all, before starting this chapter, we should know what is table. Table is a collection of rows and columns which intersect each other to form rectangular blocks. That is, a table is made up of rows and columns. The intersection of a row and column is called a cell. Tables are often used to organize and present information, but they have a variety of uses as well. You can use tables to align numbers and to create some interesting page layouts. Now first we'll start with how to create tables. So there are different ways by which we can create tables. The first one is, you can see here in the standard toolbar we have table button. If we click on the table button, a grid will come and whatever rows and columns we will select, that much specific rows and columns table will create in your document. Similarly, there is another way to create table. We can use insert menu, and in insert menu we have table option, or either we have table menu, in that we have insert submenu in which we have table option. Once we'll click on table option, a dialog box will appear in which they will ask for the number of columns and the number of rows. Once we'll mention the number of rows and columns and we'll click OK, that particular rows columns table will create. Now next is how to enter values in the table. See, once we created a table, either we can just click on any cell wherever we want to enter the data and the cursor will appear in that particular cell, and then we can write anything on it. Or either we can press tab key to move to another cell so that we can write the text. Next thing is how to insert a column or row. See, both are same in the sense the process is same. Like for example, if I want to insert a new column in a table, I have to go to the table menu, and in the insert submenu we have column row option. So a dialog box will appear, and whatever number of columns or rows we want to insert, just mention and select the position where you want your new column or new row. The next thing is how to select cells in a table. See, selection part depends on you. If you want to select the whole table, you will see on the top left corner there is a sign, plus sign. When you will click here, an arrow will come and your whole table will get selected. Similarly, if you want to select a particular cell, you just use your left mouse button and your data will get selected. Or if you want to select a particular row or column, what you can do, you can keep the mouse pointer on the top of that row or in the front of that particular column. So that particular row or column will get selected. After this we have, if we want to delete any row or column, how can we do this? Again, in the table menu, see all the options are in the table menu. If you'll go to the table menu, there will be a delete option. They will ask you want to delete a row or column. So whatever row column you want, you select that option, and then that particular row column will get deleted.